we stand together to reclaim our rights as citizens, to envision concrete solutions, and to fight for a future of freedom, equality, and democracy. We demand the abolition of all forms of racial discrimination. The South Korean government must respect the dignity of migrants and ensure equal treatment in all aspects of labor, health, and social security. And the violence of crackdowns, deportations, and detention, and guarantee migrants' right to stay, survive, and enjoy fundamental rights. The government must strictly punish far-right hate groups for inciting discrimination, and the political establishment must immediately cease its complicity with them. We all deserve to live in safety and joy in our daily lives. On the occasion of the 2025 International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination, we once again demand justice. Long live international solidarity. Thank you.